The most common reason your VW Golf Mk5 alarm keeps going off is a faulty door latch microswitch. This small switch, located inside the door latch, tells the car whether the door is properly closed. This small switch detects if the door is open or closed. Over time, it can corrode, misalign, or wear out due to environmental factors like humidity. A faulty microswitch sends incorrect signals to the car's engine control unit, ECU, triggering the alarm. To confirm this is the problem, check for warning lights on the dashboard, though these aren't always present. A diagnostic scan using an OBD2 scanner can often pinpoint the faulty switch by reading error codes. If you suspect the microswitch, you can visually inspect it for corrosion, though replacement is generally the best solution. Experts and statistics from RepairPal say that the door latch microswitch is the root cause in 70 to 80% of Mk5 alarm cases. For replacement, remove the old faulty microswitch and install a new one. For reset procedure, lock and unlock the doors 10 times using the key fob. Then cycle the key in the ignition to clear any error codes, and finally, test the alarm system. Replacing the door latch microswitch is a common DIY fix for VW Golf Mk5 alarm issues. You'll need a replacement microswitch from Bosch or generic suppliers, costing around $10 to $20. Basic tools like screwdrivers and panel removers, and optionally VAGCOM software for advanced resets. Tutorial videos from channels like ChrisFix provide step-by-step guidance. Start by disconnecting the battery for safety. Remove the door panel using screwdrivers and panel removal tools. Access the door latch mechanism where the microswitch is located. Carefully remove the faulty microswitch and install the new one. Finally, reconnect the battery. After replacement, perform a reset. Lock and unlock the doors 10 times using the key fob. If the alarm continues, use VAGCOM software to reset the ECU. For complex issues like Siren failures, inspect the Siren module or consult forums like VW Vortex. To prevent future issues, lubricate door latches annually and regularly inspect wiring harnesses for shorts or damage. This maintenance helps avoid recurring alarm problems.